All right, so to answer that title question, I think it's necessary to have a gimbal if you want steady, smooth, and professional footage. Because no one wants to see distorted, shaky, and just all around amateur looking footage. It doesn't look right, and I mean, there are certain situations for that, but for the most part, I think a gimbal is necessary if you want to have professional footage. All right. So when you get the gimbal, right, you're going to have a case. And look how easy it is to do everything. Balance it, turn it on, getting started. It's so quick. Just watch this. Get the Osmo, get out the case. Do it like that. Unfold it. Put your phone right here. Do it like that. Balance it a little bit, turn it on. That easy. I'm done. And I can get to recording and stuff like that. Rebalance it. It's that easy. That was just, I can get started filming right now. That's definitely a win for the Osmo 3. And let me show you the other modes. If you hold the trigger, it's in lock mode. Can't really do anything. If you double tap the trigger and hold it, you go into sports mode. It's panning really quick. And then double tap it again, but don't hold it to recenter. And if you want to put it into landscape mode, just double tap the M button. And it's in landscape mode right now. And then to move it, you have a control dial right here. Works pretty good. You can save a lot of time balancing it with this gimbal. Okay, so I downloaded the app and my phone is on 3%, but you know, I can't really charge it. But that's one extra feature with Osmo Mobile 3. So you can actually charge your phone while you're actually using the gimbal. With the other models, it usually covers the charging port, so you couldn't really charge your phone. So that was like a great benefit. So when you're shooting with your phone and you see your phone's on 2% like I do right now, you can just plug in your phone and it should charge. And with this extreme battery life, look at this. This is cool. Like, I can just charge and it's balancing properly. Point my camera and stuff like that. Follow mode, do everything I need to do while my phone is charging. I really want to show you this. I'm gonna show you right now of it tracking with using the active track feature. It's really good. I have no complaints about this. My only complaint would probably be like the vertical mode with the charger, but if you hold it out, let me show you. Let me put that into vertical. See, if you hold it out, it doesn't do that same problem because put that center it. I'm not sure if you see that. There's a little space between that, but if you were just sitting it on the table and you switched it from horizontal to vertical, you're probably going to have that problem. But if you were just in vertical mode from the beginning, you're not going to have a charging problem. That was the other issue. So the other one was the tilt. I've seen this. The tilt can't go all the way. Look, it only goes that far. The tilt, when you're pointing it down, only goes that far. It's not going to be flat down. So that's another issue to look out for. I mean, you know, con for this gimbal. And pointing it up, it only goes up that much. The app is really good. I see a lot of features that I might have to explore later. You can change your shutter speed. It looks like, you know, your resolutions. You can do that. Your frame rates, 60 to 30 frames within the app. You don't have to go to settings like a lot of phones. You can just do that right there on the screen. So that's really cool. So if you want to pack the gimbal up, then it's really quick. Turn the gimbal off. Wait a couple seconds. Should be good. Take your phone off. Package it up like that. Take the legs off. Put the gimbal back in the case. I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna shoot a lot of videos with this gimbal. I just want you to know that. So, peace.